Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to send specific pics that we own to a person that wants to buy it or bid on it. So if you own a specific pics and someone wants to buy or bid on that pics, you can send them the link of that pics. Okay, so we're gonna learn that today. So first, you're gonna need a Planet Ix account and have it connected to your MetaMask wallet, and then you can either have a Facebook or a Messenger or a WhatsApp of the person where you want to send it to. Pretty simple. So let's get started. First of all, once you log in to your Plant IX and you're on your homepage, go to game. Go to game. Sorry, my God. And then after that, go to Net Empire. Net Empire right here. So let's go to Net Empire. Okay, let it load. Now let's go to Net Empire again, right? And then we're going to explore, right? Explore. And now you can go here to sorry, goodness. We can go here to filter, right? So once you go to marketplace, right? So Net Empire, Net, and then marketplace. Now over here we go filter, filter right here, filter. Now let's go let's go over here and then select my picks, right? So my picks, because we're looking for your pixes, your picks that you own. And we're gonna go down here, right? We're gonna go down here and we're gonna apply. So once you apply that, you're gonna see sorry, we're gonna see all of the pixels that we own, right? And then you're gonna pick a specific pix that you want. You want to send to that person, or you're gonna pick a specific pix that they want from you, and then you're gonna send them the link of that pix. And then what they're gonna do is that they're gonna either bid on it or buy on it, and then you're gonna accept it here. It will show up on your notification. If anyone bids on you, or if anyone buys your picks or bid on your picks, it's gonna show here in the notification bell. Just click on that. So right now, let's pick a specific picks. For example, let's pick this France. So over here, FR France Legendary. I click on this little arrow thing to open it up. Right? I open it up and I go down. Hold on, not too down. Just like go down where you can see the France, all of the France. Hold on. You can use the arrow in your keyboard if it's easier for you. Okay, so there we go. France, I open it up. I can see the whole entire thing. Now click on this little eye button. Click on eye. And then go down. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this. And then that's gonna give you the link to your pics, to the specific pic. So what you're gonna do is that if you have if you have a specific person where you want to send it to, you want to have them ready on the other tab, you can either send it to them, sorry, you can either send it to them via Messenger on Facebook, or you can send it on WhatsApp. So I copied it, right? So I copied it, and then what you're gonna do is gonna paste it here. You're gonna send it to the person, and then what's gonna happen is that they're gonna receive this link, and then they're gonna click on it. They're gonna click on the link, and once they click on the link, it's gonna take them to this pics right here. And what they can do is that once it takes them to this pics right here, what they can do is bid on it. They can either, yeah, they can bid on it, and then you can accept their offer here in the notification bell. So if you click on the notification bell right there, it will pop up all of the people that bought your pics, bid on your pics, or pics that you've sold, or people that are offering you something. So, yep, that's how it works. And Um, what else? That's it. That's it. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, if you want them to buy your pics, um, you can put a fixed price on it, and then just send the link. Put a fixed price on the pics that you want them to send, and then you can send them the link by copying the link by pressing this, as we mentioned earlier, and then sending it to them like before, right? And then they can buy it so that you don't have to accept their offer over here. You can do it one way. That's one way to do it. But the other way to do it is to just send them the link, right? Like that. And then they can just bid on it. They can just you offer like one IXT or whatever they want. And then after that you can just accept it over here on the notification bell. And then they'll have the pics that they wanted from you. Okay. So that is it for the tutorial. We learned how to send the link of your pics to a person that wants to own your pics. Okay, and that's it for this video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell below, down below if you haven't, so that you can get notified if we posted something new, and also so that we can make more videos and that we can help each other out. We can all learn together. All right, that is it. Thank you.